Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always tuning in, listening, or streaming Real Talk with Darlene Pierre-Louis. You all know that I'm a foodie, but beyond being a foodie, I am a health nut. I want to take care of our temple that we have. We only have one temple, whether it's through our skin care, our hair care, our oral care, but most importantly, our tummy care. Well, in my search, I've discovered this fabulous, let me say gem, or I'll say spot for you guys, but it's a gem to me. And the owner is beyond a gem. She's a diamond. So I'm going to share her with you with one condition. You're not going to steal her from me. We're just going to share her. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to my friend, to my new friend. Someone who's going to keep me on my toes.
Absolutely.
And help me stay young and healthy.
Absolutely. Hi guys, I'm Marsha, aka NUTRA-DIVA. So in my shop, this beautiful gem of a space, I create amazing healthy juices, smoothies, are all natural. I have created a pumpkin milk made with pumpkin seeds.
I know.
That no one has heard of.
I've never heard of that.
Ginger shots, acai bowls, and smoothie bowls, and much, much more. Cleanses as well, 1, 2, and 3-day cleanses. So you guys need to stop by and come and try all of the delicious flavors, juices, and much, much more.
So you're going to tell them your address, and then everybody's going to be shocked who's familiar with this area.
Yes.
Delray has been evolving, and this place is fabulous.
Yeah, this place is a really beautiful gem. It really has a collective health journey. You have 2 restaurants on the property, a record store. I'm the juice queen, the juice diva.
Yes.
And we're located just West Atlantic and Congress, and it's called the Art District.
Yes.
It's actually right next to the DMV, really close to the clinic.
Yes.
It's kind of eclectic. You think it's like a warehouse, and then it opens up into like a Wynwood style. Great graffiti.
That is exactly what I thought. Yes.
Great graffiti on the walls. It's a beautiful space. You guys can come and just walk around and check it out. It's really nice.
And that's exactly what I did when I first came here, and I'm like, I haven't been here in a while. When I was a little girl, there was a lot of mechanics here.
Right.
My mother would come here, and we had our favorite mechanic. So when I got my car, he showed me how to do an oil change. You know how to do my tires. Well, not in these new cars, but my older car I did.
Right.
And so I said, I know they're making changes. I haven't gone to the city hall meetings and stuff. I said, let me see what's happening. And I came here, and I was like, oh my God, we gotta come here. I gotta check out everybody. And then I told Alan about it. I said, let's go check out this place. And then I tried your smoothies. I tried your acai bowl. And I was like, oh my God, okay, yeah. I brought him some. And everybody in the office wants some now.
Wow.
So I just put your I just put one of your brochures there.
Perfect.
But I love that you take such pride. And even when I come here and there's multiple people waiting, there's no rush. There's no pressure. You put a lot of love into your smoothies and into your juices.
Thank you for noticing that, because I do. I really pride myself on quality and also clean foods, especially my background coming from the island of beautiful Jamaica. Represent. But coming from the island of Jamaica, where everything, and you know, you're from the islands, any island, you're used to like
fresh fruit.
Yes, you know,
go to the
in your back, and you grab something, your mangoes, your pomegranate. And I had the beautiful pleasure of living and indoctrinating this idea of fresh farm, as they say, farm to table, or organic, as they call it now, which was so organic.
Always organic
to us. And I think, and my mom was such a beautiful cook. Like, she just knew how to blend flavors, and I just figured how to do that so well. So it just became so natural for me to get back. As I mature, I went back to my old ways, my roots.
They usually say that. They say as we get wiser, and more mature, we have a tendency to go back. And it's not even regressing. It's going back and tapping into your roots. What really made you who you are today.
Correct.
And I'm happy you are sharing your progress and your trip back to memory lane with us, because I've tried several things here. And I don't have a favorite yet because I haven't had everything on the menu. I told you until I've had everything on the menu.
You've had the Purple Hulk before.
I've had the Purple Hulk.
Okay.
And I've had the Blue Lagoon.
Yes, the juice. I have a Blue Lagoon. It's pineapple, cucumber, mint, lime, and blue spirulina. It's delicious.
Yes.
It's really great for hydration, detoxifying the body, and also, I mean, you're receiving vitamin C from that, and blue spirulina is a superfood.
Yes, it
so all my juices are geared towards health. So each flavor and color, which I think the colors of the rainbow symbolize also is the way how energy flows, right? Energy of the rainbow is the same way how we eat our food. Purples, blues, pinks, greens, and the yellows.
So I was looking earlier at the, where's the eye? The green envy.
The green envy is delicious, right? Yes. So, and the jalapeno in that is fantastic.
I know. I was thinking about somebody who likes jalapeno.
But it's a nice. It's not overpowering. It's a nice. It's a subtle hint.
Okay.
So it's not like, oh my gosh. It's very subtle. It doesn't.
That's the jalapeno, and I'm like, is she trying to kill somebody?
Not at all. People get really scared for that, but it's really subtle with that. So
when I came in here, besides you and the way you carry yourself and how you work your magic back in that kitchen, I was looking at the decor. I was looking at the aesthetic, and I absolutely love it. And I love the use of wood, raw natural wood, and the metal, the pipes and stuff like that. And you told me your best friend did it for you.
Yes, my best friend. I want to share something. My best friend really created a space for me. He saw that I had a passion for juicing and I needed a space, and of course he knows my aesthetic, and he's very talented, creative, innovative, and he also created a space, and guess who that person is? My husband.
And he does not do this for a living, so don't call her out.
He's not a partner.
This is his gift to his baby.
He just wanted to do this, and this is where his talent shines, and this is his first time ever creating a space like this.
Wow.
From an empty space, and created each piece.
I love
This is cedar wood, and he did the hardware. He even created the sign here
on the
3D printer and a small one.
Oh wow!
And he created this for me and print the shirts and everything, and also he created the signs.
Oh my God!
The menus.
Yes,
he did that as well.
He did a great job
and hung everything. And this is just.
He might have another job, because as people see this, they're going to be knocking.
I agree. They're like, is he available? I'm like, he's not. He has his own business to attend.
Yes.
Mortgage broker, but he could get this space for me because he saw the passion and the love, and he enjoyed it.
And
it was a hobby.
You hear a lot of hours. Not only are you putting smiles on people's faces, you need to smile put on your face.
I know. When I walk into this beautiful space, I need to smile, and I do thank the space as I leave, and I greet it in the morning. You know, I definitely ground myself in that way. And the juices really helps me keep myself grounded.
Yes.
And healthy.
Yes.
With glowing skin.
Yes. So next time we get together, you're going to give us tips and pointers on how to keep our skin clean.
And the gut healthy.
Yes, because from the inside manifests the outside.
That's correct. It's not the other way around, because it's the inside, it's the gut. The gut controls our entire existence, our mind, our body, and our soul. And if our gut is disrupted, then of course you're not going to feel your best, right?
And a lot of us don't think about that. We think it's buying these expensive serums and creams and stuff, but it's from within.
It's within, without, and it shows. And that's when you walk into a space and you're like, wow, you're glowing.
Yes.
Wow, you're vibrant.
Yes.
You know, yes. What are you doing? The juices, being more conscious of your health. And listen, I'm not 100% healthy. I do snack.
Yes.
I like to snack. I have pizza, some fries here and there, but I do like 80, 90 health. And where the other 20 or 10% I can indulge.
Yes.
So that's how I've lived my life. I do 80, 90 of clean foods.
Yes.
And then the other where I don't have to concentrate. I do not diet.
Yes.
And I don't work out like hardcore for the most part. I do like stretches.
I was gonna say, I know there's a yoga facility here, a hot yoga.
A hot yoga.
Have you tried it?
I have.
Oh my God.
It's intense. and I think I'm pretty good, but that is intense. But it's really good. But I think if you really just move your body,
Yes.
walk. You said that
Yes,
you
like
walk.
we're talking about that walking.
Yes.
And even having a stand-up desk.
Yes.
Stand up every so often. Especially those of us that are working at a desk all day long.
Right.
So you got to move. You're standing
I'm
more
standing.
than you're sitting.
Yes, and
Yes.
I'm on my feet for about 12 to 13, 14 hours
Wow.
for the entire day. Once I
Yes.
get up at 6:30, I do not stop moving
Wow.
until midnight.
Oh, wow.
So but when I leave here, I'm going home to maybe prepare dinner,
yes.
something healthy and clean and easy
Yes.
for my family. And then I'm still moving, I'm cleaning up, I'm still working and preparing to come back here again.
Exactly, because the mind
is still going. But I make sure I take time for myself.
Yes.
And that's important.
And what do you do?
I love to veg out in my backyard in my hot tub underneath the stars.
I love that.
I really enjoy that. Take walks on the beach early in the morning or around 6 or 7
Okay.
when the sun is
Sun's
out.
up.
So I love to walk just like
Yes.
you. So I enjoy doing stuff like that. I love projects like my husband. We do a
Yes.
lot of projects together.
That is so therapeutic.
Yeah.
You don't realize that.
We do a lot of projects together, and also the juicing. It
Yes.
really is a meditation.
Yes.
So while I'm chopping and
yes.
grinding,
Yes.
I'm in that meditative
Yes.
form.
Yes,
So
that's
for
so
me,
true.
I'm always grounded.
All right, well, let's give a little tip to our viewers and our listeners. If they are not so healthy in their day-to-day,
Ooh.
how can they start?
Okay, can we start? The first step. I know some of us do not like celery juice, but celery juice is to start the best way to start. It really alkalines the body. It really gets rid of the inflammation, and if you can do it for 21 days to 30 days, you will see a vast difference in the way that you move. The inflammation starts to shrink. It starts to get rid of water weight.
Oh.
Yes, and also starts to melt fat and alkalines the free radicals that causes the disruption in the body. So celery juice, even flavor your water with just
celery.
with
Yeah.
lemon or lime, cucumber slices, mint. That really helps.
Okay.
Those basic things. Even add in chia seeds, a teaspoon of chia seeds in your water with lemon, fresh lemon, not the bottled stuff.
Juices.
Yeah, just
lemon.
fresh lemon. Cut it. Add a little of that into your water and drop the lemon skin because that's vitamin C.
Zest, yes.
Yes, that burns fat.
Yes.
It also helps the lining of your stomach to help make you go and to help shrink the gut.
Okay.
So it really helps. Those basic things that we have in our pantry.
Yes.
Look in the pantry, open it up, and you can just start with that.
So my chia seed, I do it at night.
Perfect.
So I put it in the water,
Yeah.
and in the morning it's like this going.
Yes, and then you drink it. No,
The first couple of times was hard.
It's hard.
But now I'm just like,
Yeah.
hey,
you know the
results.
benefits.
I know the benefits.
Right. So you can do it that way and get all the benefits from that. Just those simple. And then come and see me to do your 1, 2, and 3 day cleanses.
We're going to talk about the cleanse.
Yes.
So we're not going to keep you long because we're still line out there. We don't want to have anybody get mad at us.
Sorry, guys.
So what we're going to do is we're going to let everybody know where you're located, your phone number, and how they can find you on social media. Because I know you have pages,
Yes.
you give tips, and you have interviews.
Yes.
So let's look into the camera and tell everybody how to reach out to you.
Okay, now you can find NUTRA-DIVA, Marsha. You can find me on West Atlantic and Congress in the Art District in Delray Beach. I have my Instagram, which is called NUTRA-DIVA. Just plug that in and you can find tips and trade. I'm always on there promoting, and also I do the farmers market the first Sunday of each month in Delray. It's called the Cocoa Market. It's a great space, a farmers market. Come and check me out there. You can see me there. I will be there June 6th is the next one,
June 6th.
which is that Sunday. It's from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. They have free yoga classes on the property. You can try the juices as sample and purchase.
Yes.
It's really great.
All right.
And the phone, I forgot.
Phone number.
Phone number. And the phone number is 561-600-0061.
That's a great number. Give that again.
561-600-0061.
How did you get that number? That is a cool number. 561-600-0061. I love that.
Yeah, easy.
Okay. So everybody knows where you're at.
Yes.
Everybody knows what you're about. And now they're going to come knocking down your door.
Please do. And also too, just keep in mind, the I really pride myself on creating this amazing plant-based pumpkin seed milk. It's only made with pumpkin seeds. It's great benefit. It has magnesium, fiber, iron, potassium, loads of protein, and also it's a parasite plant.
Yes.
So you're getting so much benefits, more than almond, oat, or and I love coconut milk, but I tend to want to use the pumpkin seed because there's so many benefits with that. So I wanted to share that with my customers when they come in, so they can get the benefits.
Yes, because I'm not a milk person, so when I saw that, I was like, oh wow, that's good.
So that's a nice little treat.
Well, thank you for taking time out. Now let's go get these people fed.
And thank you for everything.
So ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure and an honor to have you watch us on Real Talk, but also listen to us on the various radio stations that we stream on. And of course, for Jasper TV. My name is DERLINE Pierre-LOUIS. Have a great day on purpose.